delighted to welcome you to São Paulo for the third New Directions in English Language Assessment Conference, Reshaping Education, Aligning Assessment with Curriculum and Delivery.
It's very difficult to make an analysis of the changes that we are going through because there are so many changes. Of course, being a teacher means you have to be open to learning all the time. So that's part of our job. We have to enjoy learning. We have to enjoy being with people. We have to enjoy incorporating new things, experimenting new things.
I think as more and more people start to use English, I think the concept of English will become a lot more fluid.
I think that technology has made the understanding of language and the accessibility of language a lot easier for the students.
And this is an opportunity for everybody. It's an opportunity for people who learn English, and by learning English they can do so many things. And again, this is exactly what happened to me.
I think the future of English is variation. I think that English is lingua franca for many different people around the world. People use it to express their ideas, their opinions, their cultures and their identities, and it has to be a linguistic vehicle that enables people to express all of that variety.
I think the future of English is going to change, but I think we're already seeing part of that change. We're already seeing a lot of learning using technology. We're seeing assessment being influenced by technology, and I think that's going to continue.
I hope and trust, I'd be surprised if you don't, leave the conference with either a better understanding of the advances in assessment and how it can guide and support learning, or at least have gained food for thought, which will guide further discussion and research in the future. So we at the British Council, we're delighted to have been able to create this opportunity to facilitate, and that's what we do, we facilitate the opportunity to tap into your knowledge and to share thoughts and experiences in the field of assessment.